Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video comparing two popular camera options for all you photography enthusiasts out there. So let's dive right in. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment down below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. When it comes to capturing stunning images, both cameras deliver impressive results. The Sony a7E boasts an advanced 24.2 MP BSI full-frame image sensor with a 1.8x readout speed. On the other hand, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. Both offer excellent image quality, allowing you to capture breathtaking shots. If you're looking for a wide dynamic range and flexibility in low light conditions, both cameras have got you covered. The Sony a7E offers an impressive 15-stop dynamic range and supports 14-bit uncompressed RAW files. It also has an ISO range of 50 to 204,800. Similarly, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E features an ISO range of 100 to 5600, expandable up to 51,200. Both cameras perform exceptionally well in challenging lighting situations. When it comes to capturing fast-moving subjects, autofocus performance is crucial. The Sony a7E impresses with its 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points, covering a vast 93% of the frame. It utilizes an Exmor-R CMOS sensor for accurate and reliable focus tracking. Similarly, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E features improved dual-pixel CMOS AF along with eye detection AF, making it an excellent choice for tracking subjects in both stills and videos. If you're into videography, both cameras offer fantastic features. The Sony a7E allows you to shoot 4K video at 24p, while the Canon EOS M50 Mark E offers 4K UHD at the same frame rate. Additionally, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E also supports HD 120p for stunning slow-motion footage. With their vari-angle touchscreens, both cameras make vlogging and composing shots a breeze. Now let's talk about some additional features that enhance your shooting experience. The Sony a7E offers impressive battery life. With approximately 610 shots, viewfinder, or 710 shots, LCD monitor, in still image mode. It also supports Bluetooth connectivity for easy smartphone pairing. On the other hand, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E comes with a built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology, making it convenient to transfer and share your images. It even includes a combination tripod grip and a stereo microphone for high-quality audio recording. And that concludes our comparison video. Both the Sony a7E and the Canon EOS M50 Mark E are fantastic cameras, each with its own strengths. It ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and shooting needs. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment sharing which camera caught your attention, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, happy shooting, and see you in the next one.